Hey guys, so today you're back with my channel. Today we're gonna make slime.
Hello.
This is my cousin, so here, Ariel and glue. Elmer's glue, so yeah, let's start. Need a container and spoon, yeah. So let's put
Whoa!
the Elmer's in the bowl. So here we are. Woo! Wow, so nice. I think that's Jollibee. Ooh, and then after that we're gonna put the detergent, which is Ariel, and then just little by little until it makes slime. So yes, let's mix it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's making slime. You can also add beads, glitters, whatever you like to add in it. Just decorations, and also if you like the paint, anything, food coloring.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's it is. The detergent have color. It's blue, so I will not add some color. Ooh. Wow! Wow, that's so nice. Ooh. Wow! You will know it's slime when your bowl is now clean. Just put detergent little by little until it makes slime. So my cousin is eating Jollibee.
Dinner.
Yes, dinner. Oh, wow.
And we'll
Whoa! When you put a lot, it will be hard slime. So just knead it so it will not be sticky or what. At the end, it will. Oh, so sticky.
Oh, it's going.
Oh, wow. Whoa. It's so slimy, guys. So if you like this video, guys, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. If you don't, smash the like button, and we'll see you right next time. Goodbye.